Welcome to another FormTitan video, and in this video we'll talk about how to use button as a condition. Alright, so let me show you how you can do this. Let's get some tabs going, and then we'll move these tabs in. I'll just use tab 1 and 2 for now. And then in this tab I'll add a text field. Okay, and I'll call this text field outcome. Actually, we'll say it was the button clicked. And then in tab 2, we'll just add something very random in here, so just to sort of demonstrate the point. Like this. Alright, so that's been added, that's done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a button and I'm going to show you how it works, okay? And I'll call this button condition demo. And then what I'm going to do is click on this button. I'm going to set the button type to condition. Now, if I click set, you can do just about anything you want that you can do with a regular condition. You can execute different buttons from it. You can configure a Salesforce action, execute JavaScript. You can do all of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hide tab 2 when it's clicked. And I'm going to set the value here. Yes, the button was clicked. Alright, click apply, save, and if I preview, you can see if I click it, tab 2 is gone, and it's set the value to yes, the button was clicked. Alright, so very cool functionality where you can run multiple actions from one button and you can just use it as a condition. So a very cool little feature, and all you have to do is click on it, choose the button type to be condition, and then go ahead and set various different conditions that meet your use case. This is how it's done.